Hello, all. Welcome to another V podcast. The lockdown ensured that we sat home, and staying indoors gave us what we all wanted so badly: plenty of time. We learned to look around and appreciate people, events, spaces, and things that we had taken for granted. We have also been on the lookout for activities that can be taken up during this unexpected spell of leisure. How many of us know that the space around us can be utilized to grow our own food? Many of us must have been impressed by lines of pots and grow bags along the walls, on the terraces, and in verandas that have yielded rich harvests of homegrown food to those who have lovingly watered and cared for them. Isn't the thought of having your own garden exciting? Would you not love to be able to watch your own fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices grow in your own homes? It will be pure joy to be able to see them bloom, fill out, and ripen. Apart from being healthy food, many plants serve as air purifiers and humidifiers. We have heard of landscaping and aquascaping. Would you like to try these? Let us listen to Miss Smitha P.S., Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, as she shares simple and practical steps towards realizing the dream of having healthy food grown at home.
Hello, everyone. As we all know, we are currently undergoing a nationwide lockdown in order to stop the spread of COVID 19. However, we can mitigate the hardships of this lockdown by engaging ourselves in some productive activities. Today, I'm going to share some ideas on one such activity which keep you fit and healthy during this coronavirus pandemic. It's nothing but gardening. Getting fresh and pesticide free vegetables and fruits is becoming more and more difficult nowadays, and we are probably left to choose droopy, overripe vegetables by the time we get to a shop. If you already have a garden or outdoor space at home, you have got a place to maintain your health and well being. If not, it is the right time to explore your creative skills in setting up a lovely garden at home. No matter how big or small your space is, you can start growing plants, foliages, vegetables, and fruits now. The benefits of gardening have been proven beyond doubt. Scientists have found that gardening provides a place for experiencing nature, which can benefit our cognitive functioning and mental well being. It keeps all the physical ailments at bay, thereby enhancing the quality of life. Above all, it can provide quick relaxation and helps to stimulate the aesthetic spirit within us. You can create different types of gardens depending on your specific situation and what will work best for you. Gardening is of two major types: indoor gardening and outdoor gardening. The major difference between these two is it is difficult to control the growing conditions of a plant outdoor, whereas it is easy to manage indoor plants. When it comes to convenience, indoor gardening has the upper hand. Indoor gardening doesn't imply the gardening of ornamentals alone, but growing of vegetables, fruits, and spices as well. Different types of palms, ivy, aloe vera, tulasi, dracena, lady slipper orchid, spider plant, snake plant, weeping fig, and azalea are the common indoor ornamentals which can effectively be used as natural air purifiers and humidifiers at home. The art of creating and maintaining greenery utilizing veranda, rooftops, or terrace space is called roof gardening or terrace gardening. This type of gardening can be used for growing fruit plants, vegetables, spices, and homestead medicinal plants. Hence, the problem of lack of space can be circumvented by kitchen gardening and roof gardening. Gardening can be done by preparing cement benches of convenient length or using containers or pots, which may be damaged buckets, unused water cans, plastic covers, and so on. Fruit crops like banana, guava, acid lime, papaya, etc., are suitable for roof gardening. Almost all vegetables are well suited for roof gardening. Spice crops suited for this type of gardening are turmeric, coriander, and fenugreek. Some important medicinal plants such as agatti, adathoda, aloe vera, lemongrass, basil, brahmi, vayamba, etc. are suitable for roof gardening. A silent revolution is taking place on the rooftops across Kerala. Rooftops of houses in semi wild areas like Idukki and Wayanad and major cities like Tiruvananthapuram, Kochi, and Kozhikode are dotted with fruit laden plants and vegetables. High incidence of cancer and other dreadful diseases in the state has sown seeds of the thought for a safe food practice. Kerala depends almost fully on Tamil Nadu and Karnataka for vegetables, fruits, milk, meat, and eggs. These vegetables and fruits are marinated with deadly pesticides, while meat, milk, and eggs are awash with veterinary drugs and hormones. Recently, buckling under the pressure from consumers, the State Directorate of Health Service collected samples of vegetables and fruits from various shops across Kerala and tested them for pesticide residues. Results were quite alarming, which showed the presence of high level of pesticide residues. Against this backdrop, the state government and non governmental organizations have taken a number of initiatives to promote homestead farming practices. Roof garden or terrace garden can be created in any kind of building. Start with waterproofing the roof so that the building doesn't suffer any damage. Begin with small steps and then let your idea become bigger and bigger. Containers or pots are best for terrace gardening. You can utilize used plastic containers or buckets at home for the same. Create a drainage hole first at the bottom and cover it with stones. Mix soil, compost, and sand in equal quantities and fill the pot. Wet the soil and sow the seed or sapling and watch it bloom. It's your garden. Show your creativity and bring in variations not only in the plants but also in the containers used. Make it environment friendly in true sense by using recycled containers. Coconut shells, Coke bottles, kitchen utensils, bamboo baskets, plastic boxes, and lots more can be utilized for this purpose. If you want to grow vegetables, then start with the ones that grow fast and don't require much efforts like fenugreek, chili, spinach, coriander, etc. Apart from these type of gardening, you can also establish small backyard ponds and aquascaping using some aquatic plants and fishes. Aquaponics is another method of growing plants that combines conventional aquaculture with hydroponics. You can even add more color to your home by setting up a butterfly garden using plants that attract butterflies. Plants such as Crotalaria, gloriosa, Heliotropium, Clerodendron, Lantana, Jasminum, Hibiscus can attract the butterflies. So, we can insulate ourselves from this daily dose of poison by opting a wiseful decision of setting up pesticide free vegetable and fruit garden in our premises. Now it's the ideal time to grow vegetables like brinjal, spinach, chili, lady's finger, tomato, and cucurbits. So let us spark a flame of positivity amid the COVID 19 pandemic by your small initiatives. Let our kids at home also get an exposure to grow their own food. It's a great way to stimulate their curiosity towards conserving nature. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Let's get our gardening gloves and join in the silent revolution that can benefit our health and our environment. Warm thank you to Smitha ma'am for motivating our green-fingered selves.